And that was Friday by Rebecca Black, in case you guys haven't heard. I'm James Pratt.
And I'm Alex Brown.
And this is Chem Talk.
Boo-doo-dee-doo-dee.
And now let's get our caller for today.
What's intermolecular forces?
I'm glad you asked, random citizen. Now, while we had so much time to prepare for this question, let's skip to a movie clip that will describe briefly intermolecular forces.
Boo-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo fade.
I know what you are. You're the most attractive force. You have strength up to 50 kilojoules. I know what you are.
Say it. Say it out loud.
Dipole.
No!
Dispersion force.
No!
Hydrogen bond.
You ruined it!
I'm sorry, I failed my chemistry class.
And the moral of that story is, kids, don't fail chemistry.
And taking off our caller's request, our topic of today is going to be about
Intermolecular forces.
Now let's go to my alternate ego, who will talk about intermolecular forces in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Go!
Well, obviously, we're dealing with intermolecular forces.
Now back to me. Going on with our topic of intermolecular forces, there are 3 main types. First, we have hydrogen bonds. Then, we have dispersion forces. And then, we have dipole-dipole interactions.
London dispersion forces are weak attractions between 2 molecules. This attraction happens when most of the electrons on one molecule move to one side.
And our next intermolecular force is that of dipole-dipole interactions. This happens when a molecule with a slightly positive and a slightly negative side comes in close contact with another molecule with a slightly positive and a slightly negative side.
Dipole-dipole interactions have strengths up to 5 to 20 kilojoules! Get out of
Who let you in here? Keep
And
going,
lastly,
we'll be okay.
hydrogen bonds. They're a very strong intermolecular force and are basically a dipole-dipole involving hydrogen and either nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine.
They have strengths up to 4 to 50 kilojoules!
Now, after that frustrating interruption, let's go to our weatherman. How's the weather, weatherman?
It's cold!